So right here you got 2 trees right here, and then you got another one right there. So it's like 1, 2, 3 big trees on her property, and then you got the smaller one right in the middle. 4. 1, 2, 3, and then so that's 1, 2. Then you got this one. That's like 3, that little double one right there. And then that's 4 over there. That one. And then down here, then you got this one that's been hanging. And then you got this tree right here coming through the fence. So it's 5, and it's just causing serious plumbing problems. So you got 1, 2, 3, and at the end 4, and then that's 5 trees. 5 trees, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the house is abandoned. And this is the rear of the house. This is 435. See it on the garbage can, 435.